In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best sofa beds. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best sofa beds. Number 5. Amazon Basics Convertible Futon Sofa Bed. If you're looking for a simple, budget-friendly sofa bed that gets the job done, the Amazon Basics Convertible Futon Sofa Bed is a practical choice. Designed with functionality in mind, this futon quickly converts from a comfortable couch into a flat sleeping surface in just seconds. It's ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, offices, or guest spaces where flexibility is important. The clean and minimal design blends easily with different decor styles, making it simple to match with your existing furniture. Assembly is straightforward, and its compact size makes it perfect for smaller living areas. The cushioning provides supportive seating for daily use and works well for occasional overnight guests. While it may not be oversized or ultra-luxurious, it delivers reliable comfort and versatility at an affordable price point. For anyone who wants something simple, dependable, and easy to operate without complicated mechanisms, this sofa bed offers excellent value and everyday convenience. Number 4. Best Choice Products Convertible Sofa Bed. The best choice products. Convertible sofa bed with cup holders stands out thanks to its thoughtful design and added convenience. One of its most popular features is the built-in cup holders located in the armrest, making it perfect for movie nights, relaxing with a drink, or entertaining guests. Upholstered in soft fabric and supported by a sturdy frame, it offers durability along with modern style. The adjustable backrest allows you to switch between upright seating, lounging, and a fully flat sleeping position with ease. This makes it a great option for smaller homes, apartments, or multi-purpose rooms where furniture needs to serve more than one role. The cushioning provides a balanced feel, firm enough for support yet comfortable enough for extended sitting or sleeping. Its sleek appearance works well with modern and contemporary decor. Overall, this sofa bed combines comfort, style, and useful features, making it a strong choice for anyone who wants more functionality in a compact and affordable design. Number 3. Comax 4-in-1 Futon Sofa Bed. The Comax 4-in-1 Futon Sofa Bed offers impressive versatility for anyone looking to maximize space. This design functions as a sofa, a lounger, a floor couch, and a bed, giving you multiple furniture options in one compact piece. It's particularly useful for studio apartments, guest rooms, or flexible living spaces where adaptability is essential. The high-density foam cushioning provides reliable support whether you're sitting for long periods or using it as a bed. One of its standout features is the removable and washable cover, which makes cleaning and maintenance simple. The transition between modes is smooth and user-friendly, allowing you to adjust it quickly whenever needed. Its clean and modern design blends easily into various home styles. For anyone who values flexibility and convenience without sacrificing comfort, the Comax 4-in-1 Futon Sofa Bed delivers a practical and space-saving solution that adapts effortlessly to everyday needs. Number 2. Pipell Convertible Corduroy Futon Sofa Bed. The Pipell Convertible Corduroy Futon Sofa Bed combines comfort, style, and flexibility in one thoughtfully designed piece. The soft corduroy upholstery gives it a cozy and inviting look while remaining durable enough for daily use. Its modern design fits beautifully into living rooms, bedrooms, or office spaces. What makes this sofa bed especially appealing is the adjustable backrest and armrests, allowing you to customize your comfort level. Whether you prefer sitting upright, reclining slightly, or converting it into a flat sleeping surface, the adjustment process is smooth and simple. The frame feels sturdy, and the cushioning provides supportive comfort for both lounging and sleeping. Its compact design makes it suitable for smaller spaces, yet it still offers a generous sleeping area when fully extended. This balance of practicality and comfort makes it one of the most well-rounded options available. If you want a stylish sofa bed that performs well in both roles, the Pipell is an excellent choice. Number 1. Belffin Oversized Modular Sectional Sleeper Sofa. The Belffin Oversized Modular Sectional Sleeper Sofa stands out as the best overall choice for those who want maximum space, comfort, and versatility. Unlike compact futons, this sectional offers expansive seating that comfortably accommodates family gatherings, guests, and everyday lounging. When needed, it converts into a spacious sleeper, making overnight hosting simple and convenient. The modular design allows you to rearrange the sections to suit your room layout, giving you flexibility whether you prefer an L-shape, U-shape, or customized configuration. Plush cushioning enhances comfort, while the sturdy construction ensures long-term durability. Many configurations also include hidden storage compartments, helping you keep blankets and pillows neatly organized. This sofa bed delivers the feel of a premium sectional combined with the practicality of a sleeper. For larger living rooms where both comfort and functionality matter, the Belffin provides an impressive all-in-one solution that truly elevates your space. That wraps up our top 5 best sofa beds. Each of these options offers something unique, whether you're looking for a compact futon for a small apartment, a stylish convertible for everyday lounging, or a spacious sectional sleeper for hosting family and friends. The right choice ultimately depends on your space, comfort preference, and budget. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.